Recently, we saw on the channel a paste made of red cabbage and ginger, which can help with skin healing, not to mention the benefits for your body. But today you will learn about the benefits of a powerful homemade ointment made of garlic and cabbage. Do you know this recipe? And did you know that cabbage leaves have many medicinal properties? That's what Dr. Blanc from the University of Paris found out. He used to cover boils with cabbage leaves and realized that, in a short time, the abscesses would start to expel all the internal pus. Besides that, he also noticed that prolonging the treatment by putting the cabbage leaf for a few more hours or days, depending on the situation, would reduce the swelling, help the skin color go back to normal, and stop the pain. With that, the wounds healed faster. After this and other findings, he wrote a book about his studies on cabbage. The cabbage leaf is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, healing, analgesic, and alkalinizing. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, and also has minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium. All of that makes cabbage great to treat abscesses, hemorrhoids, gout, erysipelas, and wounds. Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, helping strengthen the immune system and fight germs and infections. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. See how to make a garlic and cabbage ointment. Write down the ingredients: 5 green cabbage leaves, 3 garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 4 tablespoons extra virgin coconut oil, 3 tablespoons beeswax. Directions: thoroughly wash the cabbage leaves and let them dry completely. After that, chop them finely. Chop the garlic. In a pan, add the coconut oil and olive oil. Heat the oils and then add the cabbage leaves and garlic. Cover the pan with a lid and lower the heat. Fry the cabbage for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Fry the mixture until the leaves are crunchy and brittle. As soon as they start losing their color, it is done. Turn off the heat and strain with a fine mesh sieve. While it is still hot, add the beeswax and mix until it melts. That's it. Now you just need to store it in small containers. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to 3 months. This ointment can be used as a natural healing, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, bactericidal, and antifungal. So, did you already know the benefits of cabbage leaves? Have you ever made or heard about this natural ointment? Do it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.